I'm Austin, and this is my bike check. So we'll start it off with the handlebars. We got some, they're premium whiskey bars, but I powder coated them, so now they're like pink. And then I tried running them down, and it didn't work. And Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips, and Eastern bar ends, and Eastern stock. It's a Eastern stock stem. Yeah. Oh, we got an Eastern Mothra 2013 frame.
Move to the sun.
Oh, move to the sun. Sorry. It's a Eastern Mothra 2013 frame. I fell and yeah. And we got a crappy Poverty, big, nice and very cushiony seat. We got some type of Poverty seat post, like not like the brand Poverty, like legit Poverty. And a KMC standard chain, Eastern sprocket, Maxxis tire. We got a God, I forgot the name, but it's a rim. Then Eastern hub. Not that loud. Not that loud. We got a Max Daddy tire in the front. Another rim. Don't know what it's called. Then Eastern. It's not an Eastern rim.
Cranks.
Oh, cranks. Some crappy profile cranks.
Pedals.
Pedals, Eastern pedals. Pretty good. And I powder coated, and Eastern forks. And I powder coated all of this.
Yeah, okay.
So.